Oh, that's so cute.
That is perfect.
I love that.
I said it feels awkward, but the best shots I've ever had is I feel awkward.
Trust me, I got you. So we're in Tulum and we're shooting a cover for a magazine. This is Joanna.
Isabel.
Oh, sorry, Isabel. I'm so sorry.
Take two.
It's okay. We're keeping it in there. You know what? I don't hold the perfection.
I love that.
Cool. So this is the look we're going for. Like very expensive editorial reading fashion magazine. We got an amazing location. It's like the first cenote beach club, whatever. So you're gonna see my process. You're gonna see me fuck up. You're gonna see me get some shit right. So this is the whole experimenting. So first look, we're gonna try it out. Okay, so this is where I was thinking. So I'm trying to get a shot where we get everything in this picture. Like we get you here, we get the cenote in the back, the dark blue colors, and you're just kind of doing your thing. I really wanted to get that fucking cabana, but someone's there already. That's such a dope look. God damn, it is humid as fuck. And me have you kind of, yeah. Well, like just how you had it right there, where like with the mirror up on the thing, you're looking at it, let's just do that look.
Okay.
The way that you were, yeah.
You want me to like be down there?
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
And just test the light here.
Does it affect your lens?
Well, now I left it outside, so now we're good.
Okay.
Yeah. So like usually, like if you're in an AC, like air conditioned room and immediately go out, it's gonna fog up, so you have to leave it out for a while. Beautiful. So yeah, the scene is you're preparing for the shoot. So I just want you kind of like looking up. Love that. Gorgeous. A little bit more arch in the back. Beautiful. Nice. Little glance over here. And I want you just to be like a little coy, kind of like side eye, like you see like, yeah. It's almost like, yeah, you're with your husband and you kind of like, you're doing your thing and you kind of catch him, like you feel him looking at you, so you do a little side eye. Yeah.
The descriptions, do you want me to put these down?
No, keep it on you. Like you're doing your thing and you catch your husband looking at you, so a coy little smile. Yeah.
Is he sitting down there? Or?
He's sitting right here. Yeah. Very coy, a little bit slick, a little smirk. Nice.
Oh, that's so cute.
That is perfect.
I love that.
Only thing, I just want to work on the arm a little bit here.
Yeah, totally.
You like these ones?
Yeah, it's perfect.
I think it's best if I just hold one.
Yeah.
No? Instead of like all of
Yep.
them? Yeah.
So now I think we can get the back shot here, the wide angle. Let me have you center more a little bit. Yep. So this is just an aesthetic shot from the back. Beautiful. Hold on. Beautiful. That's it. I want you to have it. Yeah. Oh, that's perfect. There you go. Good. Gorgeous. Let's try this. Let's try a top-down approach now. I want to get the cenote in the back.
Okay.
So we're doing a dark background. Yes, right there. Oh, that's a shot. There you go. Beautiful. Legs, feet wider. Feet apart. There you go. I want you more here, right? One leg out. Pop the hip a little bit more attitude in the hip. Yep. There you go. Bend the knee.
I said it feels awkward, but the best shots I've ever had. I feel awesome.
Trust me, I got you. So here's the thing. There's a bunch of guys in the cabanas here and you're trying to get their attention. You act like you're reading the book. So you're being very coy about it. Yeah, there you go. That's what I want. Cute. Now, I want you to act like you're adjusting your towel here in the back. There you go. Very coy. Gorgeous. Nice. Just coming in for a tighter shot, so because I got to get the kids out of the background. Yeah, it's cool. Hold on. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna get a wide shot. Nice. Now look here. Go for the blush. Yep. One leg. Yes. Right there. Boom. That's the shot. And just have you sitting. Oh yeah, perfect. Yeah, with the shoes right there. Leave them right there. Wow. Okay, this is the shot right here. Beautiful. Look at me, eyes. Yes. Extend it more, long body. Bring the shoes out in front of you. And just make them look, yeah. Hold that. Wow. Feet, extend the feet. So this foot, have it more like that. Extend the other leg out. Yes, right there, boom. That's the one, that's the pose. Hold that. Fire, this is so good. Good. Nice. Beautiful. Now I want you making faces at the mirror, like you're cute. Gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna get a little video action because this is your shot here. Okay, ready? Now we're going for video, okay? Extend the leg out. 3, 2, 1. Even closer. 3, 2, 1. Action. Now remember the glance. So you're looking, someone catches your attention, and you turn towards. Okay, 3, 2, 1, action. Yeah. Let's do that again, but I want it sexy, not cheesy. You're like, that's cute. Exactly, yeah. It's like, ooh, who you looking at? There you go, good. Now coy, very good. It's like, ooh, you looking at me? Oh, it's little old me? I'm not doing anything over here. Love. Ooh, that's fire. Let me get the blush. Keep the blush behind you. Oh, stay there, actually. Do that again. Beautiful. Look at me, glance. Just, yeah, right there. Wow.
Maybe this calls for the glasses for this one.
Yes. Ooh, hold that. And stay there. Yes, that's what I want. There you go. That's what I want. Glasses down and then eye hold that right there. Squint. Slight smirk. Need to get some air, but let's go look over these.
Yes.
Make sure we got it. Where's the hat? Okay. Holy it's hot. Yeah. Even you just like sitting there doing that, that's a whole look right there. We need to get that. Yeah. Yeah.